Hey, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name's Mike, and today we're going to talk about the day that God changed his mind. Some things in life are just plain mysterious. I even think that the word mystery catches our attention when we hear it. We often fall in this trap of trying to guess some mystery flavor or watch the latest mystery TV series, or even we listen to a podcast of mysterious stories. There's something interesting about the unknown. I think as humans, we naturally want to figure things out. We want to solve puzzles. We want to understand things by studying them, or even we create our own explanations for things at times we don't understand in life. I found myself really thinking about the word mystery when reading a verse in Jonah chapter number 3. Jonah finds himself in Nineveh. He delivers this message that God isn't happy with the people of Nineveh and that he was going to destroy their city. The people have a surprising response to this news. Instead of rebelling, they decide to actually sincerely course correct in their life. It even mentioned that they hoped that God would change his mind with their efforts of becoming the people that God wanted them to be. So let's look today at Jonah chapter 3, verse number 10, and here's what it says. When God saw what they had done and how they had put a stop to their evil ways, he changed his mind and did not carry out the destruction that he had threatened. Did you catch the mystery in this verse? I found myself really wondering about the part where it says God changed his mind. God changed his mind. I mean, I just go, he's God. How does it happen that God changes his mind? The God who knows the beginning from the end, the God who created the entire world, including all of the creation on this planet, the God whose thoughts and ways are higher than your ways, the God that never makes a mistake, the God that has absolutely no surprises, changed his mind. And I think that's the beauty of this verse. It reminds me that I have so much learning to do in discovering an understanding of who God is. You see, there's so many parts of God that are unknown to you and I. And truthfully, none of us will be able to fully understand God until we see him face to face. None of us have figured everything out there is to know about God just yet. And living by faith is just the heart of our faith. It's the heart of our walk as Christians. We have faith for the unseen. We have faith for the unknown, for the mystery. We have hope and understanding that one day we will enter eternity face to face with Jesus and understand what we don't understand today. And I want you to know today that it's okay when you find yourself not quite knowing all the answers. It is okay to sit and wonder sometimes about the mysteries and the things that you don't quite get. We all have questions because we are human, because it is our nature to have questions. And another part of our human experience is this freedom and this power of decision. You see, we're all uniquely created. You were created by God. He carefully wired you with talents and abilities and a personality. And he gave you a free will. And you have the choice of what to do in your life. This passage from the Bible shows us the power and the importance of what we decide to do with our lives. You see, the people of Nineveh, they made a clear decision to course correct. They avoided total destruction from God because of their decision to follow him and what he had said. So as I find myself wondering why God would have changed his mind, why would he even have that experience of a mind change, I also find the significance and the power of my decisions. And see, I hope today that this devotion sparks a little curiosity for you. I hope you see the power of your decisions as an opportunity, as an invitation to grow closer to who God is. Have an awesome day. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Daily Devo.